Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use coffee for your hair growth. It's an alternative to rice water. For those who feel rice water doesn't help their hair grow, this coffee should. It would surely work for your hair growth. You can find me on Instagram at HairItOnes, and please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for subscribing. Now I'm using Nescafe Gold Blend coffee powder. You can use any coffee powder of your choice as far as it is pure coffee. And of course, you need a cup or a bowl, anyone. And you need your hot water to make this mixture. You can't use cold water, okay? Then you add 2 spoons of coffee powder. Some people add 3, but I think 2 spoons of coffee powder is more than enough for me, and you should feel that way too. Then you stir your mixture, allow it to blend, melt in the hot water, and cover your coffee powder. And don't forget to allow your mixture to cool down, because you can't use that mixture on your hair. It's just too hot and you'll cry for weeks. My mixture is cooled down now and it looks so pretty and it smells so nice. Time to use it. My hair is so tangled and I'm so lazy to detangle my hair, so instead of leaving it to freeze or leaving it to have this dry look, I just use coffee on my hair. I start using the coffee from the roots of my hair to the tips of my hair. And normally, I actually pour the coffee mixture straight onto my hair and massage it throughout my hair. But I'm doing this because of you guys, so you can see how to use it. Coffee helps your hair grow by stimulating hair follicles and improving its structure. Coffee does not stiffen the hair, rather, it enhances the texture and the color of your hair. The result will be a silky and a smooth feeling, which will help slow or stop shedding of the hair. It can also be used as a hair mask by adding honey and olive oil to it. Coffee contains a very high amount of antioxidants, which helps in hair growth and shedding of dead cells. It contains caffeine, which blocks the hormone responsible for hair loss, DHT, thereby reducing shedding of hair. Just take a look at my hair. My hair feels so smooth, so silky, so nice. It's giving the right texture, and it's coffee that gave that magic to my hair. If you feel your hair is damaged, your hair is not giving the right texture, it doesn't feel right, it doesn't feel good, you should use coffee. It works like magic. It gives a pleasing smell, and it can also be used as a hair dye for gray hair. Even though your hair is not gray, you can also use coffee to dye your hair. But the disadvantage about coffee is that because of the caffeine in it, excess usage of coffee on our hair can also lead to hair loss. Therefore, if you are going to use coffee on your hair for hair growth, I recommend that you use it twice a week. Please don't make it more than twice a week. It's going to be best for you. I'm done using the coffee on my hair, and there's actually no need to rinse it off. I actually don't rinse it off until I'm ready to wash my hair. But if you want to rinse it off, just leave it on your hair for 30 minutes after massaging and rinse it off. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you learned a lot. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section. See you guys later. Bye.